Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last video, I showed you how to set up your Oracle Apex environment. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your very first Oracle Apex application step by step. Let's get started. Now, from the main menu, I click on App Builder. This is where we create and manage all of our applications. Here, I click the Create button. Apex gives us different options like creating a desktop app, a mobile app, or even starting from a wizard. For this tutorial, I'll choose New Application. Now I give my application a name. Let's call it Sample Application. Here, I can also set the appearance theme, choose features like authentication, activity reporting, or access control. For now, I'll keep it simple and go with the default settings. Now I will click on the Create Application. Now I will click on the Run Application. After I click Run Application, Oracle Apex automatically shows me a login page. This page is very important because every Apex application is protected by default. You can't access the app unless you log in. I will now log in with my workspace username and password. After login, the app runs and opens on page 1, which is the default home page in Apex. If I want to log out, I just click on the username menu at the top right corner and select Sign Out. This will log me out of the application and take me back to the login page. Right now, I want to create a new user who can log into this application with their own username and password. Right now, I want to create a new user who can log into this application with their own username and password. From the Apex Workspace home page, I go to the top right menu and choose Administration. Manage Users and Groups. Here, I click on Create Use. Here I will give a username. Then I will give an email. Then I will give a first name and last name. Then I select User Workspace Administrator. Then set a strong password. And I can assign developer rights or just give end-user access. After saving, the new user is added to my workspace. I log in again using the new username and password. As you can see, the application opens successfully for this user. Now I will completely log out from the workspace as well. To do that, I click on Sign Out from the top menu. If you want to come back again to your workspace and application, first go to apex.oracle.com. Then click Sign In. Here you enter your workspace name, your username, and your password. After logging in, you'll be inside the workspace. From there, go to App Builder. Open your application. And then log in again on the application's login page.